It is more fun riding a slow bike fast than riding a fast bike slow. JCUTMoto. Hey, are you okay? Of course I'm okay. Are you okay? Hello everyone, this is your boy, Bakla Tomboy, JCUTMoto. And it's already 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. Medyo madilim na ang daan. Medyo lang. I came from Baybay City. Nanggaling ako ng Baybay City kasi bumili ako ng battery for this bad boy right here, the Honda Click 125i. Pero nag-GGB, gulo-gulong buhay. Kasi nung bumili ako, first thing is mali yung battery na binigay. So bumalik ako sa tindahan, pinalitan ulit yung battery. Tapos yung pinalit pala, yung binigay, mali na naman. Sample na battery lang yung binigay. Sumalik na naman ako. Nakatatlong balik ako or nakalawang balik ako sa tindahan bago ko nakuha yung tamang battery na supposed to be or that should be used in this motorcycle right here. Charge to experience pa rin. At least di naman tayo nagmamadali. Smile pa rin kahit ganun yung nangyari. Well anyway, I'm going home right now. Medyo madilim na yung daan. Pero caring pa rin. Caring pa. I hope it's not going to rain because if that happens, matitigil yung motovlogging natin. But we'll try the motovlog in the rain if ever na umulan. I think my GoPro can survive and I've secured my mic using my dry bag so you can still manage the motovlog even if it rains. Tingnan nyo, overtaking. Gago! Kitang-kita na double yellow lane. Kitang-kita niya na meron siyang kasalubong. But he still took the chance of overtaking. But hindi naman sa nagmamili sa Coke. Pero that shouldn't be done. Be hard. Nakakasera talaga siya lang araw. Pero wala na namang araw. Nasira yung araw. Nakasira ng araw ang mga ganong driver. Undisciplined. Baka nag-fixer during sa pagkuha ng lisensya niya. Anyway, let's continue the ride. Medyo mabilis-bilis yung takbo natin ngayon kasi naghahabol tayo ng oras kapag umulan. At we'll try to keep it safe pa rin. Excuse me, overtake ko. Ha, pare? Thanks. Let's try to talk about an interesting topic. The lower CC bikes versus the higher CC bike. Let's say yung higher CC 300 ano ba? Mga R3, KTM 390, Ninja 300. Paano na yan? Ulan na! Hello! Let's continue motovlogging in the rain. We'll just sing. I'm vlogging in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. From Lero. Maling lyrics. This is what I'm talking about in my previous motovlog. Nakapagpauwi na ako and wala na akong ibang lakad. So I'm going to suicide in the rain. Not suicide na magpapakamatay ako, but I will not consider stopping anymore even if I get wet. Bahala na yung mabasa yung tintin ko. Basta continue lang, patuloy ang motovlogging, patuloy yung pagmumotor, yung ride. Baga ulan ka lang, rider ako. Pero sa mga nasabi ko na sa previous motovlog ko, during this time, you really have to take it slow. Especially, pasa yung daan. Oops, may aso. What the aso? The hell are you doing, aso? Aso ka lang. So, currently, we are just maintaining around 70 kilometers per hour. O, medyo mahina lang yung takbo natin. Pasa yung daan and have to be safe. Anyway, let's talk about bike, small bike, or no, the higher CC because me clarify, correct me if I'm wrong, but big bike, if base mo talaga sa definition ng big bike, it's 1000cc. Pero pag sinabing super sports, kahit 600cc lang yung bike na yon, more than 100 yung horsepower nila. Kaya naging super sports. So, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not that familiar, but as far as I remember, yun yung definition na nabasa ko. Well, anyway, let's talk about kung may napansin kayo, may mga rider or may mga motorcycle enthusiasts na alam mo namang mapera. They can afford. Pwede silang bumili ng 600cc bike, let's say 1000cc bikes, 1200cc bikes. At pinili nilang bumili ng scooter, pinili nilang bumili ng underbone. Parang nakakalito, right? Medyo napapanong ka sa langit. Why on earth would you buy a small cc bike, lower displacement bike, if you can afford a higher cc bike? Napansin ko lang. Sa mga napansin ko during my 3 years of riding experience. Basaan na ako, pre. Hindi pa basa yung tintin ko. Kaya yung sapatos ko, okay pa rin. So, we're currently maintaining 70 kilometers per hour pa rin para lang safe. Anyway, let's go back today. Oh, bakit nag-high, Ben? Kapre. Hindi naman ako nag-high beam. Let's go back to what I've told you earlier na may mga taong kayang bumili ng higher CC but they choose to buy a lower CC bike. Well, simply lang, or based on my observation, kung nabasa niyo yung quotation or kasabihan na it is more fun riding a slow bike fast than riding a fast bike slow. Kung i-dissect natin yung kasabihan na yan, parang sinabi mo na rin na di practical yung pagbili ng higher CC bike dahil sa mga daan natin dito sa Pilipinas, you really can't achieve, you really can't fully use the potential of your bike. Kaya sinabing then riding a fast bike slow, kasi pag sinabing slow, talking about slow, di naman sinabing slow or mabagal yung pagpapatakbo, but considering na 1000cc yung bike, kaya niyang mag 300 kilometers per hour or 299 based on street legal limit. Kaya naman talaga mag 299, pero since roads here in the country will not, or you cannot, it's not practical, or you can't achieve the 299 kilometers per hour of riding or speed when using that bike. So pag sinabi natin, parang mura rin sinabing bumili ka ng motor pero naging useless pa rin yung power niya. Kung baga sa boxing yan, kung naging boxing yan, parang mo na rin sinabi si Mike Tyson. What the hey? Fuck it! Headshot ako dun Para mo na rin sinabing si Mike Tyson lumaban kay Manny Pacquiao or kay Onyok Velasco. Kahit 20% lang ng siguro ng power or performance ni Mike Tyson, kayang-kaya niya si Onyok. Di mo magagamit yung full potential ng bike mo. Compared sa kung bibili ka ng bike na maliit, malalaro mo talaga yung full potential niya from lowest rev or RPM to its highest RPM. At saka ang modifiability, yung accessories, mapapaganda mo pa. If you ask me between a lower CC and higher CC bike, I really can't tell you my opinion since yung nagamit ko lang higher or medyo mataas na CC na bike is R3 and a Ninja 300. So hanggang 300cc palaga ko. So wala pa talaga akong experience when it comes to much bigger or higher CC or the 600 or maybe 1000cc bike. So kung ako lang, kung may pera lang ako, syempre bibili ako maybe R6. Since wala akong pera sa ganyan, contenta na ako sa motor ko, which is 150cc and a 125cc bike. Well, if ever na may chance, siyempre bibili ako ng big bike. Well, I guess that would be all for now. It's a really raw vlog since I really can't focus talking about something since maulan tsaka maginaw basang-basa na ang tintin ko. That would be all. This is your boy JCUTMoto saying bye-bye. Basa ang tintin ako, bye.